Hi, this is Moimir from Portone Immobilis. Welcome to Only Pools and Houses. Today we are in village Ladići near Kanfanar.
This village, with about 30 inhabitants, is located on the slopes of Limska Draga, opposite Kanfanar. The village of Ladići was built at the blind end of the road that comes from Dobravci, so there is no traffic or it is rare. The land we will visit today is located in the center of the village, and its northern boundary extends along the paved road. All infrastructure, water and electricity is located right next to the road. The land is surrounded by other lands, and a little further on, traditional houses can be seen. The old stone wall surrounds the land on all sides, but is not very visible due to the dense vegetation. On a plot of 1,558 square meters, 2 houses can be built, but given the shape and slope of the terrain, 1 house is the best measure. The procedure before construction is not demanding. The investor must obtain only a building permit, which takes a maximum of 6 months. The village of Ladići is 25 kilometers away from Rovinj, 9 kilometers from Kanfanar and 11 kilometers from the highway.
If you like that video, please take a moment to click the like button and also subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see this property or have any questions, call or text us.